He is Luis. He is working as a farmer. Now he is living with his wife and son in a small farm. Now Luis is working. He is taking care of the sheep, so he is doing his main job. But suddenly he heard a strange sound coming from the forest. So now he is walking and listening among the trees to find out what is producing the sound. Along the way, he found many kinds of animals, but none of them were producing the sound. When he got to a pile of rocks, he found a little sheep that was lost. Now he is going home to continue doing his job, because if you remember, he was taking care of the sheep. After job, he always checked if all the sheep are together. When he got home, his friends got too, and they asked him, "What are you doing?" And he answering said them, "I'm doing what I like to do." Now, Luis is getting ready because he has a reservation to eat out with his family and friends. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.